Tax China debt anew. The Philippines on Wednesday raised 2.5 billion renminbi from its second foray in China's panda debt market. May 20th. In March last year, 1.46 billion renminbi in 3-year panda bonds were sold by the Philippine government for the first time in China at a yield of 5%. The Bureau of the Treasury earlier wanted to sell a bigger volume of up to million in renminbi-denominated securities for the second panda bond issuance. It had also considered two tenors of 3 and 5 years. The Treasury later on downscaled the offering and reduced the tenor to just 1. Just last week, the Philippines returned to the euro debt market, selling 750 million euros in 8-year global bonds at a coupon of 0.875%. It ended the country's 13-year absence in the euro market, which was last capped in 2006. Besides the panda and euro bonds, the government is also looking at again selling yen-denominated samurai bonds and another round of US dollar-denominated global bonds in the second half. Last August, the Philippines sold 154.2 billion in samurai bonds across 3 tenors, ending the country's 8-year absence in the Japanese debt market. The Philippines also borrowed 5 billion in new 10-year global bonds last January. The government has programmed gross borrowings this year of P1.189 trillion, of which the bulk or P906.2 billion will be sourced locally through the sale of treasury bills and fixed-rate bonds. Gross external borrowings for 2019 will amount to P282.7 billion. These borrowings will finance the government's priority projects under the national budget as well as the Duterte administration's ambitious build infrastructure program. Meanwhile, the Treasury on Wednesday sold all P20 billion in reissued 7-year bonds at an average rate of 5.743%. ANA noted that the yield was 19.1 basis points lower than the annual rate of 5.934% when the debt paper maturing on February 14, 2026, was last reissued. The coupon was also a higher 6.25% when the IS was first issued in February. Investors tendered a total of P51.3 billion, making the auction 2.5 times oversubscribed. With the full award, the outstanding amount for this bond series stood at P70 billion to date. ANA said the good turnout for the Treasury bond auction as well as the lower rate were still an offshoot of the rate cut last week and, of course, the easing inflation picture as projected by the central bank. The headline inflation rate eased to a 16-month low of 3% in April, averaging 3.6% during the first 4 months already within the government's 3 to 4% target range. However, gross domestic product growth fell to a 4-year low of 5.6% in the first quarter, mainly due to slower public investment, especially on infrastructure, as a result of the 2019 budget impasse. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.